Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Lexi, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have decided to create something very special. Last night, I was craving that rice water, which is what we call Aguadehorchata. Today, I'm going to show you how chocolate makes my day. Now, let's get started. I've put 4 cups of rice and about 4 cups of water. Put this inside the blender. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Definitely some cinnamon. And this much of chocolate abuelita. We're gonna drain it and repeat the process with what's left all over again. I'm going to be adding La Lechera by Nestle, and I use this instead of sugar. We'll see if it needs 1 or 2. This is just so you can finish off with a sweet flavor. I don't like it too sweet, but it has to be just right. Let's mix it up.